Hey guys, Chef Nathan Lippy from Blackstone. Today I want to show you guys a really fun recipe. I love doing smash burgers, but these particular burgers are unbelievable. I'm going to show you guys how to make an Oklahoma fried onion burger, but today we're going to smoke the onions first with Western wood mesquite wood chips. It's amazing, it's simple, and really, really delicious. Let's get right into the recipe. Now the first thing I want to do is get to my smoke. Now today I'm using Western wood mesquite chips. I'm going to add those to an aluminum pan, and I'm going to throw that on high heat on the back of my Blackstone griddle. Now once that gets smoking, we're ready to go with our onions. Now today I have some sweet Vidalia onions. They're sliced extremely thin. I mean, check that out. That is so very, very thin. This is key. You gotta have super thin onions. Now we're gonna fill our pan right here with our onions. The trick for this is we want to have a nice thin layer because we want that smoke to really penetrate the onions. Now I'm also going to use one more little tool. I've got my cookie sheet. I'm going to put this on the cool side of my griddle because I don't want my onions cooking yet. I just want them smoking. So we're going to add this right to the top. Let our wood chips smoke away and smoke our beautiful onions. It's going to change the flavor, so we're still going to have that beautiful sweet natural onion flavor, but now it's like a smoky sweet. Unbelievable. Now let's get to our French fries. Today I'm using russet potatoes. Cut these in half and then into basically whatever size French fry you like. I like something a little bit bigger than a normal fry, a little bit smaller than a steak fry. We're going to put those into a glass bowl and fill it with water. We want to soak them so that the starch comes out, so that the fries don't stick together when we're frying them, and they get a little bit crispier. So when it comes to ground beef, I always like to use 80-20. 80-20 to me is the perfect ratio of fat to lean protein. We're gonna take about 3 to 4 ounces. We're gonna make a nice loose ball. Now here is Smash Burger Technique 101. You don't wanna be squeezing the meat too much. We want a loosely packed ball, 3 to 4 ounces, just like that, and then we are good to go. Now let's check out onions. Ready? Check this out. Oh my goodness, holy cow. Oh, it smells so amazing. It's gonna be gorgeous. All right, next we gotta put our burgers down, so we're gonna add just a bit of olive oil to the hot side of our griddle. Now we're gonna take those meatballs and put them right down. Now we're gonna add just a bit of salt, take our flat spatula and press them down nice and flat. You want it to be really, really thin. Now we're gonna add some of our smoked onions. Now these cook really, really fast. We're talking 60 to 90 seconds, then give it a flip. Now the onions are on the bottom and they're gonna steam and caramelize the meat at the same time. We're gonna add a bit of American cheese and we're gonna let our bun ride. So we're gonna put the crown on top and then the heel of the bun. Now the trick to getting your smash burger off the griddle, take your top piece, give a scoop, and then you're gonna put the top right on the bottom and slide it right off. You got your crispy onions on one side, you got your melty, delicious cheese on the other, and then adding the smoky flavor to the thinly sliced onions. I'm telling you, it's like off the charts. Guys, we are all finished. All that's left is seasoning our French fries. We're gonna pull those out, add some salt and some pepper, and we are all finished, my friends. These smash burgers are crazy delicious. Let's give it a try. That's a winner.